Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you through latest updates in Google Gemini. It's a very powerful AI for general purpose AI, but also it can be really helpful for researchers as well. And there are many updates which I believe is really important for all academicians to learn. And I will take you through all these new updates and also the use cases of these new apps and new technologies and new updates in research and teaching purposes. Gemini has recently released the new models, and if you click on here on fast, this is the new model which can give you very quick answers, but also thinking and pro options are available in Gemini 3. Within Gemini 3 update, these are a very really powerful option. But also if you click on this tools button and you will get this deep search, create video 3.1 and create images, canvas and guided learning. I hope video is not available in Gemini. It's available in Gemini Pro. But Gemini has the power, and all these AI tools have power to turn your ideas into graphics, but also it can help you to generate powerful apps and also generate new agents as well. But I will take you through some of the very simple features, and then we'll go through advanced level where we can create new different agents for our research purposes. But for now, let's start working with Gemini 3.0 Pro version. Once you click on prompt and once you type any prompt, for now I'm just typing a prompt. What are the current theoretical model, risk assessment tools and methodological approaches utilized in academic literature to integrate geopolitical risks in supply chain resilience frameworks? And this research question, I have uploaded many videos how we develop these research questions from these AI tools. But let's focus on this one, and I'm choosing this fast response. And once I click on this, it will give me a very quick answer based on the question I've already asked. Now you can see that it's giving me different results, really good information. But the options here are limited because I'm using it in a fast mode. So options are very limited. I can copy paste and I can access this information. But let's look into some of these different options available here. If I move this to deep search and start a new chat and asking same research question, and this time it will give me a detailed response and it will search all the relevant websites and it will give me a clear plan for search. And once I agree to this plan, I can move on. If I want to change the plan and I'm not okay with this plan, and if I want any amendments, I can just click on edit plan and I can always work on this plan. If I want to remove any of these steps, I can quickly go through this and I can use this option to remove or add any new plans. This is how we work with the advanced features. Let's look at this, and I want to continue this plan for now. And Gemini will start working on my plan and it will give me all the options, all the information from all available resources. You can see that it's giving me all the resources, research articles, most of the websites, and it's taking most of the data from different research article journals and other databases. It will take some time, and meanwhile, you can see that it's exploring all the possible available websites. This is a very powerful feature and we can use it to develop new ideas, research and collecting information. But be careful. Most of the people, they are starting to use this feature for developing research articles or your complete assessment. That is not possible because most of the time, although it's powerful and it gives you a lot of information and it can access all the information available from different sources, but still it is not the replacement for your research article writing because that standard is different. That nobility and human intelligence is different. We can always track if something is coming through, or especially when everything is developed within AI. Now the journals are very careful about this. Be careful when you are working with these AI tools. But from a teaching point of view, this tool is really powerful and it's helpful for me when we are working with different topics and new ideas. And if I want to teach my student the latest and updated development in specific field, in that case, I will be using these feature and it gives me really good information about the topic and about the latest and current trends about the same topic.